Revealing our new kits that have just come in to the Skin Matrix family. We've got the Hello Goodbye Clear Skin Try Me Kit. So if you're new to our range, this is a really great way to try the Skin Matrix products. In here, we've got the Balance Cleanser, which you would use morning and night. Hello Goodbye Blemish Gel is a salicylic acid serum that you would use once a day. So you can choose if you want to use that either morning or night. Hydrocell is a water-based moisturizer, won't cause any breakouts at all and is deeply nourishing on the skin, but it's quite a light texture. And then just once a week, the AHA exfoliating scrub. That's got a little bit of glycolic acid in there as well, just to give you a nice deep exfoliation within the pore as well. Our other one is great for a normal to dry skin. And in here we've also got the Balance Cleanser, which we'd use morning and night. Skin Perfection Serum is our vitamin B and C serum. It has got hyaluronic acid in there as well, which is great for hydrating and plumping the skin. Green tea and pomegranate and licorice for brightening the skin. You can use that morning and night. And then we've got Ultra Dry Moisturizer for morning and night as well. And then the same scrub once a week. So we hope you enjoy our Try Me kits and let us know what you think when you try.